I know you guys can't see me there. You can't see me. Okay. Now you can see me. Oh yo, what's good YouTube? This is your boy Press and that's good dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, baby. As you can see, today I'm not Sparta, but I'm the trader. I got this baby, you know what I mean? This newborn baby, you know what I mean? Today we're cruising on a Hilux. Yeah, you know what I mean? I don't know what this is, but yeah, Toyota Extreme. So guys, today what we want to do is truck shooter Golddigger prank with this car. This is one of my babies here in Zimbabwe, you know what I mean? One of my babies, new baby, as you can see. So guys, what I want to do today is truck shooter Golddigger prank. Rakutsoma mskana and see kuti ndiani mskana wanengatore angandidi because of motor. As you can see, I'm just dressing simply, you know what I mean? Ndakadressa kunge munhu asina Hilux iri. Ndakudressa kunge munhu arikufamba nekaChevrolet kanga munoziya. Uri munhu arikufamba nekaHonda Fit. So I want to see if you can snatch in girl. Ndiri zvandiri or kana iri mota chero ndiwane mskana or kana ndikawana mskana anondida ngori zvandiri pasina mota, you know what I mean? So if you're the first time, please make sure you like, comment, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Road to 40,000 subscribers. We're not playing to the 40,000 this June, you know what I mean? So shagara panapa in the wait. Uyo komiki yoto yo asiri Diega ndoko dot cinema wakata usakati uyo komiki yoto ndoko wadanga wamona. All right, you know what I mean? So guys, stay tuned here. Ngatirambe tiri panapa maise timbomira timbonoti I know to machacha kuchatangodarika to mababy nene saka ndatsoma mababy ndega chanofamba chivhogoko ndosoma mababy ndega ndakangodai so ndikabvumwa ndabvumawo ringa rakadana nemvesa nemota pandikarambwa raita munyama bhosi rikazondibvumira nekuti taona mota. Look at this baby, bro. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. Cruiser man. So guys, you can see the car is fire, the car is crazy. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. Let's get it. So I don't know where you can find some gold diggers, bruh. I think we need to wait for like maybe an hour or something. I don't know. But I'm still nervous though. I'm still nervous. But but it's too late. Get me ring. You know what I mean? Get me ring, you know what I mean? Title to my road, but anyways guys, get me here. You make my own tonight. I would so my way, but Dashka. So let's wait for someone and see what's popping. Let's get it. Hey. So guys, I'm so nervous, guys. It's been like 1 hour and I got up and up. Kodos were about to dog and I got up and up, and I can't find any couples. But there's a couple which is coming from, there's a couple which is coming down there. My cameraman is just sitting there by the gang, Babirich and Anna Boys up, and they're a bit crowded. I don't know if they're gonna have confidence to pass or Vasha 10 and Abba. But I'm so nervous though. I'm so nervous. I don't know, man. There's a couple just coming there. Guys, should I risk kukumbira muskano and amba and face wake? Guys, because we can't find any girls, you know what I mean? We can't get in girls. Like, I think this is our last hope. Dakachika kwenda pane couple guy. Zvadhakwa. Boys randina rada kuenda vari zemoto dautra moto yavo. But I'm so nervous. Let me see if I can ask for your number. Damn. Let me see. Madi. Bola tu sema nix. Madi jaman.
No, like I saw
Ndongo morisa chimoko jaman.
Chimoko de jani.
Ndongo morisa chimoko jaman. So that mera se. Hapana mwenda ubade.
Takushika ndio
Baba moto. All right. Hadi nasema mix. Face over. Unotsikiza mwana sha. Ndongo morisa chimoko sha. Jaman. Ndongo grita chimoko.
Ogriteka chimoko. Chikubukani ndinadi.
Face over.
Mukubana.
Face over. Ndizimafambira ngono. Sasema mix.
Aribo.
Ndikuda ngokumhoresa wangu wakutengeza kuita mufesi wako ere.
Ndakumhoresa wani.
Tapu ndongomhoresa muoko wangu. Ndongomhoresa muoko.
Ndakumhoresa wani.
You're so beautiful. Mufesi wako.
But I'm not fit enough. So baba Jesus. It is. Andy. Move forward.
uri painstagram here maybe ndombofollowa painstagram here unonzana painstagram ndirakukufollowa but ndinongokufollowa ndi mafollowers uri mafollowers ako zomwedana nawo following bro ona ndinongofollowa munhu wako painstagram ndadabaya
auna kana mota yo
munonongonitaka kuti kwamuri kuendeko mushikashigere indrive haisi indrive mirai kubaya nimukuenda kupi ndikumbe kwenyu kukakuendeko haisi indrive ndio mota yenyu ndombero instagram ndikufollowa instagram at least instagram only instagram wangu mafollowers isazurudadani munhu wako sha I just want instagram facebook kuya kundokufollowa why are you gay aso wakuda inini sadaro ndipo instagram yako you can't it's just instagram I wanna follow you kwezira ma following jamani yo problem yako iri papi andikuona instagram so chinipo number dzako at least ana instagram is okay ngachinipo number at least ndotara kunaye ndoita friend yake something saka utara naye pa landline chinipo number za mama wako chinipo kana dzakashota kana 9 ndotsvake kupesa kandega asano zane magari ndokumbiro ndipo ndipona ndipo number
ndaramudzotaura
bro chindipo number dzachiora ndikundinyima number ndotara nekuti chiko I'm not gay bro
mutoshiyasisa phone yo dota nayo tishi
ndara shamwari yake pamwe nomira pamwe mucharambana ka bro endo ndingeni
totorambani sitakatolorana
I know kuti wakarora kupi iwewe usadaro iwewe unosvigire dzorotanesi ndipo wako namba dzako ndipo wako namba dzako
no ndaramudzotaura
just number bro aishiwanyima namba dzako just because imi munika indrive kenyama kunyima namba
wakutisora mota iyi
mazi ati dzakawandira kuindrive just because mune mota ore mune mota yenya mune
but you are
so just because anda mota then anda wani benzo endinyima unogara kupa kuperekedza maybe ndona kurequesta tepe go iri nani ine mazimota mazombe
dzakangofana na mota chiro tasvika sha
sadaro so yenye yemota
no haisi nyaya yemota
yeah
une munhu wanga kutonditarisa ngataro
sikuzwisisa because uenda kuti nyarara kuramba uchipindura
but yo andasotara ndotaura na iye ndipo number you are so beautiful type yangu
ndisataure
wachiti manamba chinyora namba za chida dzekunyora usataure chida dzekunyora ori chindipa phone mako namba dzako
ndokupa dzangu
wasida kutaura ndiwe kundoda iwewe ndoda musikana kwete iwewe
dzama mwake
chine padzama mwake dzacho ndedzodzo audunze mwana wangu yeah
mutangochitirana
ndaunza mombe umba kwako
indakaunza kadzishingani
ndaunza times 2 tokudzikara dzako
wakuti testia
bro ndikuna namba dzemwana chite bro watonyima namba watonyima namba
nesa wili
it's okay bro sida kurisa bro it's okay she's fine four ninakanemiwo yeah guys vanongoita kamota ke indrive ndakutoshorwa I guess you need to have a car muzimbabwe kuti mwana let's hope andinigrini let's hope anditiere mwana let me enter in my raptor let me enter in my raptor it's my Hilux let's see kuti achateerere mwana aramba akatenza let me see kuti achateerere kimbofura toni Excel, sorry bro. Mukaziyo kune sorry, naenda kuvunza. Munogara around kuno kere. Munozo kune car wash padhuze.
Ndogeza mota iyi.
Ndinongovunza like car wash in general.
Ndinokusana kuseri.
Ndofamba sei? Ndokwiza neroad. Mona ndiperekedza tofamba sei? Ngondiradza iyi. Dakoza direction.
Ndogeza mota iyi fike musina mota.
Ndotsvaka basa. Pane car wash end padhuze. Ndiro wash sakawe.
Ndinotesa kuseri.
Ndiro wash road.
Yeah.
Right. Zvakaoma. Anapinda petanga kundiona. I mean kuti anoteerere bro. Like I don't know. Damn. Let's see if she's a gold digger. Hello. Madi.
Yes.
Ko ndobazire mudata si.
Kazi mota yako.
Yeah. It's actually one of them. One of the cars. Wait.
Ngochi mburi unotsvaga basi wanokawashi.
Oh. Yeah, real clean.
Unotaura kuti mune mota.
Real clean somebody that. Wait, let me come there. I'm coming from the farm, so you can see it's in a dash. It's actually one of them. What's up? It's just a car, like.
Unotaura kuti mune mota tonight you not have a car.
But you have a car. You and your boyfriend one mune mota.
Yes, but like my level is that. Level, bro. Like.
So mine is bigger than.
Do you mind to get a cut?
Twinem card. Is it? Okay.
You
Okay.
No.
Oh, ndofarira kuvhura jo. Saka wato. Pesa kwazi kuvhumza kuya.
No.
Yeah.
Ndafanizwa ndangomunyebero chifanizwa ndakudafuna.
Oh. Okay, don't worry. Get in.
Thank you.
Get in. It's the next car, ne?
Yeah?
It's the next car, ne?
Very nice.
Oh, okay.
And bakani fit wakafana.
Yeah, zvekutodaro. Pakakufita. I don't know, man. I'm a Golddigger, bro. Yo. Okay, let's see if we can deal with it. Let's see, man. Yo, that's crazy, bro. Oh, yo, so cold. So you said, where's the green? Oh, wait.
We're going to pay kids.
When I need to go? Are you sure? Okay, let's see. What's the time now? Actually, I think I'm late. I'm not gonna make it, but yeah, man. So you said what's your name?
Princess.
So what name number zako?
Easy.
First one wako. Okay. So ngo you don't. Sawa muzo tichi. So he doesn't mind.
Yeah. I'm not a princess.
Nah, you will be my first one. Actually, I don't have time for girls, no. Like I'm always busy, no. So like running company is not easy.
Okay. So you have time with me?
Yeah. Yo, you want me to have time with you?
Yeah.
Is it?
Are you always busy? Time.
Yeah, man, it depends, man. It depends, man. But
spend more time.
Is it? I won't just spend time only. I also spend money. I know, like you deserve it, man. Like, why I'm questioning my number? Like, what's up?
I don't know. Can't you go to over and road plus the guards? If we are like in dinner, I was like,
but you told a boyfriend, Diago?
Yeah.
That's your boyfriend. Now I'm wondering, what's your taste in men? Like, we're not going to talk about me because like that's not the type at all. Like, you deserve better. So what did I want to know? What is the type? So what did I want to just because I don't go there to type? I mean, like.
Yes.
I think so, man. Like, I think so. Is it?
Yeah, and I'm not ended for
so maybe or something.
Yeah.
So where do you stay?
Look at him.
But I don't see you around. That's how famous we are.
Buddha.
So you said what's your type?
My type.
Type. What's your type? But you are dating Facebook. It doesn't look money. Son,
yeah, but like since we're up, I can just dump him for you.
That's a bar.
Yes.
So during your spare times, on which day, like during your spare times? But then
I'm always bored.
For you, what do you like to do in my spare times? Maybe I can take you out, Nyana, La Parada or something.
Yeah, like going out, spending money.
You love spending money?
Yeah. Even
I don't
going
know.
out for shopping.
Don't worry, I will just even give you my card. Oh my, do you what card do you use? Like depends. Like I got a lot of them. Like you can spend whatever that you want.
Card.
You don't have a card?
Yeah.
Is it? I'll give you like I'll give you one of my cards. Actually, I am into mining.
Oh.
I have like 3 or 4 mines in Pidura. Freda Rebecca is mine. I mean, like you won't even know them. Like almost here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just because
Chamaziva.
yeah, you're gonna know them definitely because and you know madam shika my farms nema mine nema farms. I have a lot of properties. Like I have my flats pa ba gate for hospital. So I was coming to collect and you know I mean some renovations. There's some renovations happening they cannot run. So that's what I was doing and you know I'm not used to this place. So I natural tender song in better people 10 square. I was like let me just park here, you know. And see, you know, the place and take my car to car wash, you know what I mean? That's why I was trying to ask for car wash there.
Oh, so like for we are say we are using motor like for which farm?
The things like, you know, I'm just a humble guy, you know. And Karanchaga Rudoga, I don't like, you know, showing myself to the noise. I'm just a simple guy.
But it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay, man. It's fine, you know what I mean?
Because like gara up it seems
but
like...
I wanna ask you, what's the reason that you do so watching your phone from nowhere and then you decided to come in, you know?
No, like the guards I told you innocent approach in front of my boyfriend. I was like, Esh.
So chambo tadza kukuonesa magatsi nzana pinda mota chi.
No, ndasunyasofunga kapo uya kunoku.
Wazunyasofunga pandapinda mota.
Yeah.
Ndipo wazunyasofunga kuti mkumana magatsi.
Yes.
So then asina mota, you're not going to see magatsi.
No, ndaimaona. What do you think? Seems like you're thinking. What are you thinking of?
Nah, I'm just trying to see what's happening. I need you to balance me with what's happening because all of a sudden wasungoi kana wakutodzoka wakuitomanya, you know what I mean?
No.
Petanga wandi ganzira and from nowhere watozungoya like what's up, balance me, what's happening?
No, like I was trying to avoid kutarani in front of my boyfriend.
But it was back in front of your boyfriend kwachona wakawaya kupinda muta mwana your boyfriend akuona.
Ndangompa a silly excuse kabana.
What was the excuse?
I want to punish on from him. What?
Do you have a shovel?
What do you mean a shovel?
Maybe I wanna buy you one. Do you have it? Because I go digger. Maybe you're using a hoe or a spade or you're using a pick or a trowel. I don't know what you're using.
No.
Can you please do me a favor? Can you please open this door?
Okay.
Yeah, you opened it, ne? Open it.
Yeah.
I want you to go out, ne? I want you to close it behind. I want you to go out of the car, ne? And close the door behind.
Why?
Like I wanna see something. Just go out there. In fact, get out of my car. I don't wanna waste much of my time.
Why?
I don't deal with gold diggers. Like I would deal with gold diggers as my employees. Like
oh,
you know what I mean?
No, I'm not.
Like I deal with gold diggers. Not, you know.
No, apo wona ndapesia mkumana wangu ndadampa mkumana wangu.
Do wamudambire.
Relationship ya.
Do type yako yo. Mina ndio sofura do. Ngode matama.
Mkumana wari rafu.
Waseva china bazao.
Andisikumbokuudza.
Princess Rani.
For ruin a relationship yangu.
No, go to gold diggers, bro. I'm not a gold buyer. You know what I mean? Get out of my car. Please get out of my car. This is a very expensive car, 75,000. Please get out of my car. Do I have a Buddhism? Get out.
It's okay.
Chibuda motamangu. Please.
Bye.
Bye, you got to say, Buddha, I'll pretend everything is okay. This bitch is my way, bro. Yeah. Imagine it, bro. Imagine. From nowhere, Baba Muna, just like that, Muna, Baba. Guys, should we follow it? What should we do? We are going to from nowhere, guys. I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. If you have enjoyed, write down in the comment section good. W praise Makara. Yeah, W gold diggers, bro. Like, what the fuck was that, bro? You see with the Parari Karosna Mara Ogwasi, Karosna Mota, a huge Parari, bro. Like, what's that, bro? Like, bro, what's that? That's crazy, bro. Like, that's crazy, bro. What? So which means Karosna Mota Hujike. So Magito is ever going to save us, guys. Like, come on, guys, balance me. Magito is ever going to save us, kana usina mota uchinzi adanane neyo, kana usina mari adanane neyo. Anyways, nonetheless, do what you're doing best, and I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best, guys. If you love more of this, let me know down in the comment section. I'm gonna keep on giving you more of this. I'm so disappointed with the cash out, guys. Anyways, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my channel for more and more content, guys. Let me know if you've enjoyed this. Kanamao, guys in the pay. Anyways, guys, let me go and return this car. If you're a car rental and you wish to work with us, I only got like, I only got like my few requests at Rungo Dogwamuri, Dokumaketirayo, company yenyu, and then multiple motor to do videos with. My Golddigger pranks. It's as simple as that, you know what I mean? It's just like an hour or 2 hours we are done shooting our videos, and that's the opportunity to market to you as well, guys. So thank you so much for the love and support, guys. Keep on supporting, keep on liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Let me know the content that you want, you know what I mean? Let me know, man, what I can do for you guys. That's why I came back to Zimbabwe for you guys. That's why I come to cook some content for you guys. Anyways, I love you so much. Thank you for watching to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more and more content. Write down in the comment section with W Golddigger if you watch to the end. Write down in the comment section with W Golddigger if you have watched to the end. If you reached this far, yeah, everyone, man, I love you so much. Mwah.